thought I would show y'all this new 48 by 30 painting that I just finished. It's got lovely blues and greens. And I did do an injection pour on this. This is a custom piece I just finished. Well, it's not finished because it's got to dry. This is the wet finish. It's got to dry, and then have to decide if I'm going to put the resin top coat on it or not. Let's see if I can span out enough for you to see it. And then while I was at it and had all the paint mixed, I did this smaller one that will be for sale. Got in focus. And I'm going to walk you over. See my mess? If you don't make a mess, you're not painting. Here's one that I've been working on getting some definition. This is palette knife work that I've been doing. And one I did a couple weeks ago, I need to put a resin coat on it. There's some other I'm experimenting with all kinds of painting right now. This is one of my favorites. I think this will be great in a bathroom or in a condo at the beach. Reminds me of the sand and the blue waters. This one has a little bit more of an emerald look to it, emeralds and golds. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe, please.